Hi guys!
Hi guys.
I'm Akimi and this
I'm
is
Akimo.
Kurt the Dragon and this is John Mark the Tweety Bird. Here in the Dragon's World.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, okay, back to your place. Someone like you.
Okay.
Ako ang bida.
Again?
Hey, sige, go na.
Lord.
I'm going to sing Someone Like You and I hope you guys like it.
Ganyan na.
Spotlight!
Alay. Like outside.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Yes, she gave me to give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy like you high for the light? I hate to turn off out of the blue, I didn't got it, but I couldn't say away. I couldn't fight and I hope you see my face and that you feel my head up and it isn't over. Might I find someone like you? I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember what you said. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. It lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies on you. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born in faith. My hands bound by this fight of our glory days. I hate to turn off out of the blue, I didn't got it, but I couldn't stay away.